Right, this brings us to the last session or the last presentation in the symposium, dealing on interprofessional education and collaborative practice, and we will be focusing on the facilitator's voice and the feedback we received after the 2021 online program. Before starting this presentation, I would like to pay special thanks to Estelle Yun, who did more than her share in helping me prepare, and Hanli Pitot, without whom none of this would have been possible. So let's start off with defining what or who is a facilitator. A facilitator is someone who guides a learning process in such a way that knowledge that the individuals in a group brings with them into the session is correlated and integrated to reach the learning objectives. This stands in very strong opposition to didactic teaching, where the lecturer shares all the knowledge. In this case, the facilitator evokes the knowledge and in that way creates new knowledge through what the participants share. At SMU, we started off with quite a large group of potential volunteer facilitators, around about 70, but then ended up with a small group of only 35 who actually participated. And this clearly indicates that commitment and time is a problem regarding the recruitment of facilitators. So feedback from the questionnaires in 2021. Detailed feedback was obtained from 14 of the 2021 IPE-CP facilitators from a combination of all the professions that were involved. The majority reported they felt this experience contributed greatly to their personal growth as well as their professional development. The wording used in the feedback shows that facilitators felt empowered and more confident after completion of their facilitation task. Wording used in the feedback were words like confident, fulfilled, collaborate, how to conduct myself, and humbled. So we asked the facilitators what were the most positive experiences of the week. And in order of preference, interaction with other professions, role clarification of other professions, learning more about pay management, and the role play exercise. We also asked them, what would you have changed about this experience? So the majority of the facilitators indicated that more training should have been done before commencement of the week. More face-to-face interactions with the students during the week would be beneficial, and to have more time allocated to the IPE-CP program in general. Recommendations included changing the format or delivery of the daily feedback forms due to the time-consuming nature of marking it electronically, and having all schools and departments involved, especially medicine, as this brings a whole other dimension. The reported strengths of having the IPE-CP week online versus having it face-to-face were the following: minimizing the risk of the COVID-19 spread, not having to organize multiple venues. Recordings made it possible for students to view sessions later again if something was missed. And new digital skills were learned by staff and students in terms of online facilitation and crisis management, as well as communication behind the scenes. The reported limitations of having the week online: technical issues like connectivity and network problems, data, students not responding spontaneously as no one can see their facial expressions, students did not interact as openly as they would have in live sessions, and not really being able to connect with the group, missing the human element. So we also asked, how can online IPE-CP facilitation be done better next time? Definite theme of more preparation in terms of marketing, the importance and the logistics of the event prior to the event, i.e. to make the concept of IPE-CP more known to the whole campus. In other words, spread the word. Many felt that they themselves or their students did not exactly know what to expect. And spreading IPECP over the lower years of education as well would help to make the whole SMU community more aware of the program. Potential threats and opportunities of the IPECP program were the following: perceived potential threats, connectivity problems, lack of commitment from facilitators and or students, lack of support and buy-in from management, timetable management, and facilitators not having enough dedicated time for this program, having this as yet another add-on to their daily duties. Perceived potential opportunities, on the other hand, were professional growth, better patient-centered care, more holistic care, collaborative research, understanding and sharing amongst different departments on campus, new communication channels, and relationships being formed. The take-home message from the feedback we received from the facilitators is they need proper training, time and support to be able to interchange between digital and real-life facilitation roles. Facilitators feel the need for more award of time spent. If IPECP is formalized as part of the curriculum, then it could be of more value to their performance management. And virtual IPECP is possible if you have a dedicated team. Thank you very much, and we are now opening up the floor to questions, discussions, and answers.